RTO Office, alleged misconduct by Inspector sparks public concern. Today, a shocking incident was reported at the Vasco RTO Office. During a routine visit, citizens observed a lack of professionalism by staff. Without wearing an ID card,
Mr. Look here, don't put that ID card now. I saw you putting the ID card. You are recorded on the camera. Mr. Bhavesh, look this side.
RTO Inspector Bhavesh Amonkar was seen keeping his uniform carelessly on the table
This is the way to keep the uniform. This is the respect. This is the respect for the uniform.
and reportedly speaking rudely to the public.
दोनला न्हू तशें करून धरपाचें तशें करून धरपाचें टेबलाचेर
When asked about the in charge, Amonkar allegedly displayed arrogance, showing disrespect toward the office and the Assistant Director of Transport, Vasco, Shri Santosh Gawde.
तुझे वो कोण सिनियर कोण
Incident raises concerns over decorum and public service standards at the RTO.
And still he is not putting his uniform. Now the uniform is hanging over here. Now the respect is there. ॲटिट्यूड पळय रे तेंचे कोणा उस्तार हे
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.